volunteer at Isha Foundation. I'm also a witness to many things. My son has studied in Isha Foundation, in Isha Home School for 8 years, and he has been molested for 3 years. I have taken that matter up with Sadhguru's office and Sadhguru on many occasions, but they have stopped me from giving a police complaint at that point of time, citing in the court. And later, I volunteered at the school for 2 years, during which I have understood that this is a very fake and fraud organization where so many atrocities against women and children are happening. And I have also written many emails to Sadhguru to address these issues, on which I am asked to leave. So I said, if you are not answering, if you are not giving me an appointment and answering these questions, I will be asking questions from the public platform. That is when I decided to expose the organization.
What will be the result out of all these exercises?
Madam, we have filed a POXO case in Tamil Nadu, which is going at a very snail's pace because the police are not cooperating with us, and instead they are harassing the victim itself. For my child to go all the time to Tamil Nadu, which is not necessary those many times, it is a very, very big ordeal. On the top of it, they haven't even given me the copy of an FIR.
You have not represented to HM of the Government of India?
Madam,
sent a copy?
It has been told to us that HM is very, very close to the
DG
of the person.
DG
Sorry?
DG Home Tamil Nadu.
DG Home Tamil Nadu also we have tried to bring it to his note. It has been in the press also for a very long time, but no action has been taken.
Are you sending a copy to the PM house just now?
Yes, ma'am.
You just send one CC to PM house.
Yes.
Some action will be taken there.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is the hierarchy, you have to touch the highest positions
Yes, ma'am.
in this regard. If you want a justice, you go to the justice for PMO.
Yes, ma'am.
That is we are looking for here.
Madam, there is also an infused fear in us, a gripping fear in us that all these top level ministers are very, very close to Jaggi Vasudev, and we might be instead harmed than anything else. So we